Hello guys, and welcome back to another video of our journey on Alpha Futures with the 50k zero evaluation. Ended up taking a loss today, which is of course unfortunate. It was $404 loss, so about 40% of the daily loss limit. So after that one I just wasn't going to take any trades, which is fine. It also puts us 1.8k roughly away from the maximum loss limit, so it's still about the 4% anyway, as it's around like the 2000 mark, so it's not the end of the world, because of course with how the drawdown works is it then came up as we took a profit to follow it, $151 up, so followed that at the end of day balance. So it's a lot better than of course the other firms that have the equity that it follows that, so it's a lot better than I've seen with some of these other firms at the moment. So not the end of the world, it is what it is. We'll continue to move on. I'll go through the trade really quickly, what it kind of looked like. Really tough day for me actually in terms of the trading. So first off, I was actually even looking for a sell in this sort of area. I didn't get all of the confluences that I wanted, so I didn't end up taking it. Did come below these lows, which is what I was looking for, and then I was actually even looking for a buy in this area as a liquidity sweep of this, and I looked for a potential buy here. It came like out of my trading window, so I didn't end up getting into the trade to take it above this high, and then I did take a short around this sort of area here. Ended up going above this high, which is where I had the stop loss, which is what allowed me to take the $404 loss today. So a bit of a tough one for me. It's been quite a tough week for me to sort of read within the markets anyway, but nonetheless it's okay. Managed to stick to the rules, didn't go against anything. I could have taken the short here and a buy here when I didn't have all of the confluences. Yes, they would have been winning trades, but they didn't actually follow my model, so I would have just gone against my model. So I'm just happy that I stuck to my rules. It is what it is. Been a tough week, had 2 losses and 1 win, in a slight drawdown on the account now at 0.5% roughly, so still 3.5% of drawdown basically to play with. Hopefully we can push towards the profit there, so it is what it is. Hopefully we'll have an okay end to the week if we get a trade for tomorrow for Friday. If not, then we'll just wait for next week. As I've mentioned, I'm currently doing a challenge with Alpha Futures to do 7 days worth of content, back-to-back days, so that's why I'm doing this daily thing at the moment. Hopefully I can kind of continue this. It would be quite nice to document this, if even just for me to look back on, with the journey of hopefully becoming funded. And so hopefully if there's anyone out there that's wanting to watch this as well, then that's great for you too, and you get to see everything documented completely as well. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.